In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add social media icons to a Notion page. By the end, you'll have clean, clickable icons that make your page look more professional and easier to navigate. First, download the social media icons you want to use. You can get free PNG icons from sites like Flaticon or any other icon library. Choose icons for platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, X, YouTube, or any others you need. Next, open your Notion page and click where you want the icons to appear. Drag and drop the PNG files into the page or type image, choose upload and select your downloaded icons. Once the icons are added, click each image and choose add link or use the images link option if available. Paste the URL to your social media profile so anyone clicking the icon is taken directly to your page. Resize the icons by dragging their corners, then arrange them side by side using Notion columns if you want a clean row of social media buttons. If you want a more polished look, use icons from the same style pack so they all match in size and design. You can also add a heading above them such as follow me or connect with me. That's how to add social media icons to a Notion page. Thanks for watching.